Reading Coding Widgets. Krishna Sharma back from credit and welcome back to 16th magical episode of our JavaScript series. In this second part of mastering the console object, we will dive deeper into advanced spells and techniques for debugging, profiling and visualizing our code. So grab your coding wands and let the enchantment continue. So first is table count and profile. Let's resume our exploration with the console.table spell, a wizard tool for displaying objects or array in a tabular format. So let's see the table. We have this array, dragon, unicorn and phoenix. Let's see in the table format with the help of JavaScript console object. First we have to make a file index.html, and in the HTML we just use the ambit power and right here console object part second. And just go live, and here you can see in the inspect the console. If I paste the array with console.table and pass the magical creature which is array and just enter, and you can see this our array is come in the table format. Here we have the indexes 0 1 2 and here we have the values. I hope you understand this. Let's move to next. The console.count help us to keep track of how many times a particular enchantment is cast. So we have a spell of clarity. Just copy this and paste in the console. If I paste this, we have 2 times console, so just enter and we can say the spell of charity coming 2 times, first and second. I hope you get this. So next is console profile, provide a detailed report of our code performance. So let's use the console profile. We have here a for loop which the code information we will get in the console. So here we have the console.profile enchantment profile, and here we are performing like we have performing a console.log hey 100 times, and in the profile end we will get the all code informations. So here 100 times hey is printed, and here profile enchantment started and here enchantment is stopped. I hope you get this. Let's move to next. This advanced spells empower us with visualizations, counters and in-depth performance profile. So next is time, group collapse and dir. It means directories. The console time and console time end spells which we have encountered in the first part. Can we also use the measure the duration of a specific enchantment within a block of code? So let's see this. We have the console.time here and console.time end here. So just take this console.time is spell casting time and console.time end here. So just copy this and paste. So first we have to comment this because JavaScript is connected here. This will give the measurement of how much time is required to execute this code. You can see this 0.4 ms is time required to execute this code. I hope you get this. Now the console.group collapsed and console directory spell enhance our organization and provide detailed object representation. Let's print this also. We have first console.group collapsed and group end. Just copy this and paste in the console. So we have group collapsed and two console log and group end. Just enter and we have just group. This magical group is collapsed. If I touch this, we have two statement, adjusting statement 1 and adjusting statement 2. I hope you understand this. So next is directories, console directories. This is very interesting. This will convert the object in the list. You can see this here. We have a object, magical object, spell levitation, power high, duration 10 seconds. If I directory it's, so it will convert into the duration 10, power high and levitation, spell levitation. I hope you understand this. So this spell contribute to efficient profiling, organized output and detailed inspection of our magical objects. Bravo coding heroes, in the second part of mastering the console object, we have explored advanced spell and technique for debugging, profiling and visualizing our magical code. This empower us with a deeper understanding of our enchantment. If you found this advanced console technique interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic and share your thought in the comment below. What JavaScript topic or spell do you want to explore next? Until then, may your profile be optimized and your code be enchanting. Happy coding!